Hello, everyone. This recording is all about the updates we have for online booking. So there are a couple of updates that we had. So we updated the dummy records to allow dummy leads for each location. Example, for Livonia, we can have one or more dummy records depending on the channel. So the second one is instead of using the account manager at pronexus.com as the email address for the dummy lead, we are now setting a random email just to make it unique for every lead records that you have. And also the third one updates is we have the external data in Pronexus. We have external data record column or the values. We are saving the channel ID or the channel name every time we create a W record. So I'll show you how it works. So first is let's check if they have existing online dummy records now. So in the bat solution next for next is we have one active online book do not delete or dummy lead that we have that was recently created. So just disregard these old records here. So these are the before the recent updates. So yeah, so just focus on this one. This is the newest record. So if you notice, this dummy lead is with the channel Facebook, with the channel as Facebook. So from here, let's try to create a dummy lead with the Google SEO channel. So okay, so just provide the required information, the token, the zip code for 8150. This is for Livonia location, the action, and the date. So example. So let's try. One for one is for Google SEO. So we're expecting to be created this one. So let's run. Yeah. So while waiting, yep. So if you notice, it created a record with the ID 6839948 with the first name online book. The last name is do not delete, and the email is random email. So why we created a random email? We wanted it to be unique because upon checking on the service minder, I noticed that if we are consistently sending the same first name, same last name, and same email in service minder, it won't create a new lead record, but it will return the existing record from the service minder instead. So just to make it unique, because we wanted to achieve like different lead per channel, so that's why we make it a unique this time. So also in this response, you will notice that the external data has the channel information when we get an appointment. So for the dummy record, so it has the ID 141 with a Google SEO. Later on, this will be used as the flag for the next iteration or the next customer that we want to check the online booking. So yep. So and here's the available appointments. So first, let's check the bat solutions if it was successfully recreated in our system. Okay. Yep, right here. So earlier it's just only this lead record with Facebook online booking. Now we have the new one. If you check on this record by clicking the update, you can pick you can pull the ID at the URL. Then we can counter check in here. Let's see. Yeah, it's correct. So it matches to that record in the Pronaxis system. So this is the nope, not this one. So this is the record that we wanted to use as the when we book an appointment. Okay. So next thing is to verify if the lead record exists in the service minder. So the only way that I can pull the external ID is through searching in the database, but we don't need to worry about that. Just for these testing purposes, we want to verify. So external ID, So you notice here it has already the external data channel, and I just need this ID here, an external ID. So let's verify. In order for me to verify and find this lead record, because it has a lot of online book do not delete sample, so I just open this one lead here, and I'll update the contact ID in the URL, and right there. So we have the online book do not delete with the email TVR, or the random email that we have. So if you counter check here, it's this is the random email, correct? And Livonia location, then with the channel Google SEO. Remember we used the 141 as Google SEO. Then no appointment. The name is online book do not delete. So this will be the dummy lead for the booking that we wanted to proceed. So so let's proceed to the booking process. So we need the contact ID. So I have the sample information here. So just provide those information. Same zip code. The action is create and book appointment. Book contact rather. And let's rename it Mefree Test 3. And the email is test 3. So from random email, it will be updated to Mefree.test 3. Then right there, let's put the contact ID, and also we needed the appointment event ID. So available appointment, just pick one. Okay, from in this case, I'll pick the 11 to 12 p.m. September 5 appointment. So let's see, put it here. Then I'll change it to 11. Okay, so the note is test booking should be appointment note September 5, 11 to 12 p.m. Okay, just an optional, but best to have a notes on testing. So okay, uh, let's run. So what we expect here is the dummy lead will be updated, and appointments will be created. Yep. So success, and we have the appointment September 5, 11 a.m. So just a recap, the source ID is not changing at this point of time, because when we get the appointment, we expect that it should be 141 or Google SEO. Then the customer proceed to the booking process is still retained as the 141. We're not expecting to change in between from fetching to booking, because as we expect, it's from the one source or one channel. So we have this expectation that it should be the same with the get appointment process. Okay, so from here, so we have success appointment. Then we can check the bad solutions my area. So this is the record that we are expecting to be updated. So let's update. Let's refresh this one and find an online book. If you notice, the dummy lead with Google SEO is gone, but we can check it in here. So right there. So it's now with the Livonia location. This is the note. Yep, and converted lead status from the online booking USA online booking SEO. So yep, correct. And also we need to check the service finder just to confirm. So this is the record, and we wanted to let's refresh this one and see it should be updated. So it should be Mefree Test 3 developer, correct. The email is updated, phone number is updated. Uh, Live still the Livonia location, still Google SEO, and we have the appointments here displayed, added, and the notes. If you notice, the notes is added also. So yeah, that's it. So the reason why we have this random email is to make it unique, and hopefully that will work for you guys. And and just let me know if you have any more questions regarding with this one. Thank you.